Dads, let me ask you something. Have you ever come back to your parked car and found a dent with no note? Or been in an accident where it was your word against someone else's? What if you had an unblinking, always-on witness in your car every single drive? That's exactly what a dashcam does. And for Father's Day, we're showing you the best one on the market. The Dashcam Store is North America's leading authority on dashcam technology, based out of Austin, Texas. These are the guys who actually test, install, and support everything they sell. With hundreds of 5-star Google reviews, they've earned their reputation as the gold standard. And today, they've sent us their top-tier flagship, the Blackview Elite 10. Why did the Dashcam Store choose the Elite 10 for Dad? Because it's in a class of its own. We're talking true 4K recording from both the front and rear cameras. The same Sony Starvis 2 sensor technology used in professional mirrorless cameras. It sees in the dark better than the human eye. It pairs instantly to his phone via the Blackview app, and it hides discreetly behind the rear view mirror. It's the iPhone 17 Pro Max of dashcams, and what dad wouldn't love owning the best? The Dashcam Store difference. What really sets this apart is the white glove service. When you order from the Dashcam Store, you're never on your own. They offer plug-and-play kits for every vehicle, lifetime technical support from real experts in Texas, and a massive nationwide network of authorized installers. Whether Dad is here in New York or anywhere in the country, they can connect him with a local pro for a flawless, hidden install. Don't just buy a dashcam, buy the expertise. Scan the QR code on your screen right now to visit thedashcamstore.com. Get the Elite 10 from the people who know it best.